Nothing can be more frustrating when you sit down to watch one of your favorite programs on Hulu and then you run into issues streaming it. In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to fix Hulu if it isn't working on your Toshiba Smart TV. I'm going to show you a few really simple ways to try and solve your problem and get it back up and running again. The first one is the easiest one to try, and that is to unplug your TV from the wall outlet and wait 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient here, wait the whole 60 seconds and then plug it back in. This is very different from turning it on and off with your remote control. This is what we call a hard reset of your TV, so make sure you do this method. If that doesn't work, then find your router that is giving you Wi-Fi and unplug the power to that for 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. If that fixes it, great. If not, let's move on to the next method. Try deleting the Hulu app on your TV. Go to wherever the apps are located on your system and remove the app altogether. Then reinstall the Hulu app again. After you reinstall it, you might have to log back in with all your credentials, but hopefully this worked. If this doesn't work, then I recommend buying an affordable Roku stick or Amazon Fire Stick. Plug that into your TV and then use that as your main streaming player, and you'll be able to access Hulu that way. I'll put links in the description down below of where you can get one. Well, hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.